What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to give you an update about the P stake. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the stats real quick, and then from there I will show you a live withdrawal and again a live deposit. Okay guys, before jumping in, let me just tell you that this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes, and this is just me sharing my crypto journey with y'all. Okay, so as you can see right here, days working still zero. Okay, still close to 1 day. Okay, probably 20, I don't know, 16 hours, 17 hours from the lunch. Okay, still not a day old. Okay, so as you can see right here, 16k inside the smart contract and withdrawn only 3.4k. okay, and over here we can see the latest deposits, right, and the latest withdrawals. Okay, right, so it's been a few hours, so let's go over to invest. So when you hit invest, it will take you to your dashboard. Okay, once you are on your dashboard, you can see your stats. Okay, and you can see right there that my plan is this one. And well, let me go to deposits. Actually, deposits right here, and you can see my stats. Okay, over here we can see that yesterday I've deposited, so 10 hours, well, 13 hours ago or 14 hours ago, I've deposited 500 bucks, and total profit so far, well, today 117.50, and total profit 305. Okay, so in 24 hours this plan will expire and I will have my 500 bucks plus a few changes. Okay, probably 60 bucks or so. So let's go over to withdraw. Okay, and as you can see right here, I have 750 to withdraw. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select the Tether BEP20 right there. Boom. So we're gonna select 7.50. Boom. And from here we're gonna request. So as you can see right here, my wallet is right there because I've set it up yesterday when I set it up this account. Okay, so now I am going to confirm that I want to send the Tether BEP20 to this wallet right here, and the amount is 750. Okay, I am happy with that. I'm gonna hit confirm, and we're just gonna wait a few minutes, and boom. Okay, so that's gone. So let's see the change over here, and you should see a change in this figure right here. It takes a few seconds. Okay, boom, right there guys, 336. Okay, and we are good to go again. Okay, so unfortunately I cannot use the same plan as I used yesterday, so I cannot use this one because I'm already in this one. Okay, so I cannot use that one, so I will have to use this one right here. Okay, so it only allows me to go for one plan at a time. Okay, so we're gonna go for this one, and how much we have? 336. So we're gonna go for Tether BEP20 and 336. So let's go 300. Let's go 300 right there. So we're gonna hit spend. Okay, so now it will give us the confirmation. Okay, so the plan is going to be the 4.6 per hour for 24 hours, and the amount that I'll send is 300 bucks right there, and the token is USDT BEP20. Okay, now all I have to do is copy this address right there. Okay, go to my MetaMask and send the funds. So I'm going to pause the video because I showed you yesterday. So once everything is done, I'm going to go back here and show you what's up. And that's it. We got a confirmation right there. So now we come over here to our investment. So this is our dashboard. We click there and we're going to go to deposits. Okay, so on deposits, you should be able to see that I now have 2 deposits. Okay, so one from yesterday and one from today. Okay, so this one right here is fresh new deposit, so 4.6 on this deposit right here, and I'm still earning 4.7 on this deposit that will expire in 9 days and 9 hours. Sorry, 9 days. I wish. So let's go over to P stake and let's see how much I'm going to earn from this new deposit. Okay, so we are start pro and 300 bucks. So that's, I'm getting 13.80 per hour. So from my 300 bucks, I'm gonna make 31.20 in 24 hours. Okay, plus I'm getting, so 13.80, and I'm still getting from the other one, so 13.80, so 26.36. So I'm getting like 37.30 bucks per hour. Okay, for the next 9 hours, I'm gonna get 7.20, and then after that I will go back to 13 point whatever. Okay, guys, and basically that's it, guys. The project's still up and running. Okay, still not even a day old, and as you can see right here, my withdrawal right there, and also my deposit. And also we got a big banger right here, 999 bucks, 0.71. Okay, guys, so as you can see right here, more people are getting access to the project, so we will see this total deposit spike up shortly. Okay, guys, so yeah, remember, not financial advice, always a deposit risk capital. And yeah, that's it, guys. Let's get that paper. Peace.